friends, hope you all are fine and good. In this video you will see plastic bottles, recyclable craft for home decor, plastic bottles, flower hanging planters, plastic bottle wall arts, bottle caps. You can plastic bottles when recycled creatively can transform into beautiful and eco-friendly home decor pieces by cutting, shaping and decorating them. These bottles can be repurposed to add color, texture and uniqueness to any living space. Their lightweight and durable nature makes them ideal for crafting functional items like planters, vases or wall art. Plastic bottles are versatile materials that, when creatively recycled, offer a sustainable way to enhance home decor. Their lightweight and durable nature makes them ideal for crafting functional items like planters. Using simple materials such as paint, string or glue, plastic bottles become versatile components that blend sustainability with artistic expression in home decoration. Their smooth surfaces and malleability allow for endless customization, cutting, bending, painting, and assembling them into unique shapes and designs. This process not only diverts plastic waste from landfills but also encourages eco-conscious living through handmade artistry. Recycled plastic bottles can bring a modern, quirky, or even rustic charm to interiors, depending on how they are styled. They can be used to craft decorative items that range from simple functional pieces like holders and containers to intricate wall installations and light fixtures. The transparency of some plastic bottles can also be used to diffuse light softly, creating an ambient atmosphere. Moreover, working with plastic bottles, it's more cost effective and accessible, making it a popular choice for DIY enthusiasts and those looking to personalize their space without spending much. The act of upcycling bottles fosters creativity, mindfulness, and environmental responsibility, blending art and ecology seamlessly in home decor. Plastic bottles as recyclable craft materials offer an innovative and environmentally friendly approach to home decoration. By repurposing discarded bottles, you not only help reduce plastic pollution but also give new life to materials that would otherwise contribute to environmental harm. Their flexible nature allows them to be reshaped, painted, and combined with other elements, making them ideal for creating decorative pieces that reflect personal style and creativity. When used in home decor, plastic bottles can introduce texture, color, and form in ways traditional materials cannot. They can be transformed into eye-catching sculptures, intricate floral designs, or functional objects like lampshades and planters. The durability of plastic ensures that these creations last long while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. This type of craft promotes sustainability living by encouraging people to see waste as a resource. It inspires innovation in design, turning everyday objects into statement pieces that highlight the importance of recycling and conscious